Hello, folks. It's a waste of money buying the wrong kind of insurance. This is Jagtar Shergill, insurance broker. Many people call me regarding home insurance, but they have a home either vacant or getting renovated, but they end up getting insurance uh, for uh, for living there as somebody living. It's totally two different things. If you are living in the home, as home is up to date, that's homeowners insurance. You need to show all that details like roof is up to date, plumbing is done recently or at least in the last 10-15 years, uh, heating, electrical, and all that upgrades you had to mention. And if the home is up to date, then you can insure it as a homeowner. But if the home is vacant or under construction, then you have to disclose that. But what happened? People start getting quotes for a vacant property when they see it's too expensive, because mostly vacant home insurance is almost 3 to 4 times more expensive than home insurance, or at least double for sure. Uh, they call around other people and somebody gives them advice. Oh no, I only pay $1,200 or $1,500 for the year, and why you pay this much? Just tell them that you are living there. You're just buying a home insurance, and there you go. They buy that property, the insurance based on living there. But many times claim decline. It's a true story. Recently, the guy bought brand new home, and his purpose was to sell it again. So he kept it vacant, but he bought the homeowner's insurance, telling the insurance broker that he's going to live there, because bank's requirement was that he bought the mortgage for homeowners, because banks also give the loan easy. If you are living there, then you are going to rent or it will be vacant. So after a few months, house got on fire, and claims adjusters came and they see that home was almost empty, and they said that it's nobody living here. The homeowner said, no, I live here, here's my bed, and he shows one folding bed just to show that they're living there. But company didn't buy. Actually, he ended up not getting any claim for the home. It's still going to the court, but he will be declined for sure and won't get any money. So lost over $1 million home, and bank will be after him for his first property, because they want to get their money back. They can sue you on your existing home where you live if you have a vacant property and wrongly insured and declined claim. So you are in a big mess. So do not cut corners when you get insurance for your home. Get the good coverage, right coverage. I'm not saying that you should pay more. You should shop around, but shop around for the same reasons, for vacant property or property for renovation, so that you get exactly the coverage you want and the best rate you want. But don't say that you are going to live there or you are living there and you need insurance for your home. That's totally wrong, and it's not good for anybody. Neither good for the insurance company, because they have to litigate and decline the claim, and insurance brokers involved, insurance brokerage, and yourself. So 4 parties get involved and still claim will be declined. So get the right coverage for home insurance, and if you have any question, just give me a call at 416-831-0215 if you are in Ontario, or you can reach me at my email, jagtar@ableinsurance.ca, jagtar@ableinsurance.ca. I will be happy to assist. Or if you are already dealing with your broker, talk to your broker and get the right coverage. And that's very important. I hope you will share this video to other people who are looking for home insurance, proper home insurance, and so that people can save their money and save their homes. Thanks for watching.